are not ordinary shipping. Their missions where every mile is a battle against gravity, terrain, and time. From towering excavators to record-breaking wheel loaders, each piece of heavy equipment is a mechanical beast, demanding extreme care and engineering precision just to move a single inch. Behind every successful hull stands a team of unsung heroes, skilled operators, expert planners, and drivers with nerves of steel. Using specialized trailers, massive trucks, and cutting-edge hydraulic systems, they navigate narrow roads, sharp turns, and steep climbs, pushing both man and machine to their limits. Every transport is a calculated gamble, where the slightest error can lead to disaster.
Strap in and join us on a heart-pounding journey into the world of heavy equipment transport. Witness mind-blowing engineering marvels as gigantic transformers and towering wind turbine blades are moved against all odds. Get ready. This adrenaline-fueled adventure will leave you speechless. Following the thrilling start of this incredible mission, we now reach an unforgettable chapter in human ingenuity and exploration.
Throttle back up, fast to the speed of sound. Go at throttle.
After an astonishing journey of 123 million miles, the Endeavour, now riding atop a modified 747, demanded flawless precision. From perfect balance and aerodynamics to absolute safety. Every second of this flight was a stunning display of aerospace and logistical brilliance.
Oh shit.
Oh no. Out of nowhere, that flip was brutal. That looked absolutely intense. Fingers crossed everyone's okay. What a heart-stopping moment.
A la madre, güey.
The logistics behind moving these giant boilers are mind-blowing. Every inch demands flawless precision, and every turn tests nerves to the breaking point. Watching these steel giants roll through narrow roads is thrilling. A true display of human engineering at its finest.
Hace un rato les pedimos unos saludos.
This 70-ton transport looks like it was ripped straight out of a movie. The sheer scale of the load is jaw-dropping, and the driver handles every turn like a true master, defying physics with every move. Watching this beast roll down public streets is a jaw-dropping reminder of just how mind-blowing heavy equipment logistics can be. Huge respect to the team. Hey, it's mud versus machine. Watching these trucks claw their way out of brutal, unforgiving terrain is both nerve-wracking and absolutely thrilling. With every tire fighting for grip, these beasts push through where others would fail. It's the ultimate showdown of resilience, precision, and cutting-edge off-road power. That was way too close. The excavator jumped into action just in time, pulling the truck back from the edge of disaster. Here's a wild story from the Gulf of Nia. The Tavison icebreaker battled through 40 to 60 centimeter thick ice, holding strong until it got stuck 3 times on brutal ice ridges. Forced to call for help, it finally unleashed the raw power of its precision-built Wärtsilä engines to smash through. Did you know the BRM-1 was built specifically to support tank regiments equipped with T-64, T-72, and T-80 tanks? This armored beast was designed to rescue stuck or damaged vehicles, even under enemy fire. First introduced in 1975, it's a battle-proven machine that still plays a critical role in field operations today. Watching this transport is like seeing magic on wheels. Moving those massive, delicate wind turbine blades without a hitch is pure engineering brilliance. The sheer size of the blades is jaw-dropping, and the way they glide through tight spaces is unreal. It's a true showcase of skill, precision, and nerves of steel. Massive respect to the operators, making it look effortless. I was on edge watching those icy roads in Kizalorda, but what truly amazed me was the teamwork. Seeing everyone work together so smoothly was inspiring. A real reminder of how we should all drive. Looking out for each other. Keep it up, drivers. This was a true giant on the move. The Goliath FPSO, a floating production and storage platform, was delivered to Norway's remote Barents Sea, a place few would expect such a monster. The sheer scale of this beast is mind-blowing. Watching it glide across the ocean like regular cargo feels almost impossible. A true masterpiece of engineering. This isn't about speed, it's about precision. These massive boilers crawl along at just 10 km/h, but every slow move ensures total safety. Bridges are dismantled, power lines rerouted, nothing is left to chance. The level of planning and coordination behind such a move is staggering. Heavy equipment transport at its most demanding. As someone passionate about heavy transport, I can tell you, moving a 200-year-old log house is no small feat. This 120-ton relic had to be carefully lifted and shifted 300 feet to clear the way for new development. It took just 30 minutes to position it near the new foundation, but hours of delicate work to slide it perfectly into place. In moves like this, experience, patience, and the right tools aren't just important, they're everything. This video takes us on an unforgettable journey, hauling a massive transformer through the winding roads of Sykkylven, Norway. Watching the long convoy snake around tight corners and power up steep climbs is absolutely jaw-dropping. Every turn feels like a battle against gravity. What an incredible feat of heavy-duty transport! If this video blew your mind, drop a 1 in the comments. Your support keeps our creative fire burning and drives us to bring you even more epic content. One small mistake led to a devastating price. After witnessing all these incredible machines, which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your favorite.
A fully serviced Caterpillar D9T, weighing over 50 tons, climbs to 1,700 meters, hauled by Fasula's heavy transports through steep, winding roads. Each turn tests the limits of man and machine in a stunning display of precision and power. Max Transport took on a daring mission, hauling tanks so massive and heavy they pushed road limits to the edge. Outfitted with 15-axle platforms and hydraulic suspension, these trucks turned the highway into a stage for mechanical greatness. Meet the Mack Titan, a 600-horsepower road train built for extremes, hauling 400-ton generators on a 91-meter trailer with 192 tires. This 6-meter-tall giant rolls at 25 km/h, doing the job of 5 trucks in one epic move. Who knew a 50-ton Cat excavator could crush a car like it's made of paper? In just seconds, metal bends, glass shatters, and what was once a vehicle becomes nothing but twisted wreckage. It's shocking, brutal, and strangely satisfying. Four trucks and a precision-demanding turntable join forces to move a 600-ton turbine. Riding on a 36-axle hydraulic platform that evenly spreads the weight, this transport is a true feat of coordination. Hats off to the team. The world's largest vibratory lifting tool sets off from Premon Machinery to the port of Rirem, a colossal device built for heavy port operations. This isn't just road transport, it's a multimodal mission where timing, balance, and flawless coordination are key. In Nigeria, the legendary Dangote refinery showcases raw power and surgical precision as self-propelled modular transporters carry a massive pressure vessel. With dozens of wheels spreading the load, it glides down the road like a silent, unstoppable modern marvel. In Denmark, a 67-meter-long winter convoy braves harsh weather to transport a massive wind turbine. The real challenge isn't just the size, but ensuring every meter is moved safely with unwavering skill and determination. It all happened in seconds. While being unloaded at Subic Bay, a truck suddenly tilts mid-air as one of the support cables fails. The heavy vehicle slams sideways into the ship's deck, still hanging, but just moments away from total disaster. Now comes a more delicate yet equally demanding task. A 30-ton, 27-meter-long overhead crane transported from Canela. It may look simple, but the narrow route wasn't built for giants. Here, expert drivers and precision trailers quietly steal the spotlight. It's not just water they're crossing. Beneath the muddy current, crocodiles wait silently as the road train roars across Cahill's Crossing. One wrong move could turn this bold drive into a deadly encounter. In Dover, moving a 318-ton transformer turns into a high-stakes test of braking and slope control. With police escorts up front and extra trucks added just to brake, the convoy creeps down steep hills, where the slightest slip could spell disaster. Moving a 363-ton mining truck is a task reserved for true experts, demanding immense experience, technical know-how, and precision. A big salute to the team behind this remarkable logistical achievement. Columbus, Ohio, braces for a full traffic shutdown as a 227-ton supercharge rolls through the city. With road closures, detours, and bridge inspections along the way, the sheer scale is disruptive, yet the spectacle offers a rare thrill for local residents. This driver truly deserves special recognition, not just for his driving skills, but for mastering the laws of physics in motion. It took incredible precision to hold the right gear and control the load's immense weight, narrowly avoiding a serious accident. Here's a nostalgic moment. A retired BEB-6 63,000 locomotive takes its final ride, perched on a bright orange trailer like a time capsule on wheels. Its slow, dignified journey is a tribute to decades of faithful service. Valued at $114 million, NASA's crawler transporter is likely the heaviest vehicle ever built. An engineering titan, despite its size, it moves rockets with astonishing 1 centimeter's precision, using internal leveling tech to keep them perfectly upright over uneven terrain. You don't see this every day. Perched directly on the rail car, the excavator unloads tons of rock with calm precision. At JFC Industries, this daring method turns tight spaces into a perfectly timed ballet of steel, weight, and skill. A giant monster. A terrible power. Witness the jaw-dropping power of the world's largest heavy equipment as they conquer the impossible. Coal mining carries unique dangers, especially the risk of spontaneous combustion from heat buildup in freshly dug coal. That's why strict fire and explosion protocols aren't optional. They're essential to every safe operation. The power of the Komatsu WA800 and KT900AD is massive, but watching those precision-cut marble blocks shatter like glass is shocking. All that work gone in an instant. What a heartbreaking waste. This crew's working to recover an overturned Peterbilt 379X. And yeah, that landing was anything but smooth. Not sure what this machine is, but with that massive size and wild shape, it totally looks like a UFO. Whatever it does, one thing's clear, it's seriously impressive and built to handle heat. Moving the historic Springfield Spiritualist Church was no small feat with its massive brick structure and deep roots. Using 68 steel beams, 20 hydraulic jacks, and 14 dollies, the team pulled off a flawless high-heat relocation. Each scrape cuts like a blade as the Cat 657 roars through the hillside, carving mountains into roads. This beast doesn't just move Earth, it clears the path for the future. That Spets plow tears through thick snow like it's nothing, moving with shocking speed for such a heavy machine. Watching it race past feels electric, a powerful and satisfying sight to behold. Driving a big rig through tight tunnels is no joke, but this driver handled it like a pro, smooth all the way. I do wonder though, what's the purpose of those wooden planks under the tires? Come on, come on. Not sure if that tree made it to the right spot, but the crane definitely made a detour to the repair shop. When that small car drove by, the sheer size of the Bell AZ 757-10 hit hard with its 450-ton payload towering above everything. Watching it lift those boulders like pebbles is raw mechanical power at its finest. This haul demands pinpoint precision. A 130-foot concrete beam, twice the length of a city bus, slips through the streets. One wrong move and the whole structure could come crashing down in seconds. That CIT 5799 is hard at work transforming the soggy riverbank into firm ground, one bucket at a time. Each drop of earth hits like a hammer stroke, laying the bones of tomorrow's build. If you liked our video, drop a 1 in the comments. Your support keeps us going and fuels the next one. Moving the Orega Komatsu is no small feat, with its towering 110-ton superstructure. Using 2 prime movers spreads the load perfectly, making the haul safer and far more efficient.